Hey everyone, I'm going to do a video of my 42-inch King of Fans Helmsman Hugger in antique brass. Got this off Craigslist almost a year ago. Well, it will be a year this June. And I got it with a 52-inch Palm Air GE vent fan with 5 blades. It's a standard mount kind for those of you who are curious. And I'll hang that one probably next. But anyway, here is the fan. And it's hard to find these 5-blade huggers with these type vents anymore. I think it's cool though. And let's have a look. It's got a nice filigree sideband as with most huggers. There's straight vents. There's the blades. This pointed tip. And it's stencil on top. But I am not a fan of stencil for those who know me well. And right there's the reverse switch. Came with a light, but I de-lighted it. And I added the tassel pull on, which gives a really neat feature. And I did acquire another one of these more recently, but I ended up donating it because it had some bearing issues, and I thought I put oil on it, but you know, I just don't really think it solved the problem, so I just thought, I'll just donate it. But I did have a bigger version of this fan. I also have another 52-inch version of it, new in the box still. But if you noticed, the blade arms are the standard type, not drop down about an inch like you find on most hugger type ceiling fans. That is to increase airflow. Let's look how close it hangs to the blade hangs to the ceiling. And it's really not going to crank out much air that way. But I guess this fan would be much better suited for like a basement or something like that, or if you have, wherever you have like lower ceilings or you don't want to bonk your head on it, that would be ideal. But anyway, we shall rev it up first on low. Medium. It's on medium, but I think this would be on par with the high of like a Harbor Breeze Armitage. Still feel a little bit of air. But now we'll try it on high, shall we? Starting to move some air. Yeah, I feel a breeze on it, but not as much of a breeze as I feel with, or as I felt with the unknown 42-inch wood fan I had hung here. That was flush mount. This fan's good for like the time being because it is still winter, so we'll power it down now. Yeah, it runs really well. I mean, other than the airflow or lack thereof, but I think it does run really well, and like I said, it would be better suited for like a basement, which I plan to some of the other King of Fans Helmsman huggers I had did not have very long spin down times, and now I know why, because it's all due to the bearings. And I guess as spring approaches, I will be putting something up here that cranks out some more air, more substantial airflow, if you will. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes the broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.